few years ago, banks and trading apps were completely different things. But today, your bank might already be turning into a trading app. Bank realized something important. If they stayed old-fashioned, young customers would leave. Some banks started building platforms that looked almost identically to trading apps. Take Saxo Bank, for example. Technically, it's a bank. It has banking license, regulations, security system, and deposit protection. But when you open their platform, it feels like professional trading software. You can trade stocks, forex, options, futures, ETFs, and much more. So even though it's called a bank, it works a lot like a modern trading platform. And here's the funny part. Brokers started moving the other direction too. Some trading apps now offer bank cards, cash accounts, interest on savings and payment services. So now banks look like trading apps and trading apps look like banks. This matters because traders often ask, should I use a bank or a trading app? But today, the question is becoming harder to answer because some banks now have better charts, better tools, and faster trading than traditional brokers. So instead of asking, is this a bank or is it a broker? A better question is, do this platform fit what I need? In the future, you will only use one app for banking, investing, trading, payments, and even AI financial advices. We are already moving in that direction. Leave a comment, please subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching.